Curious about Thundersnow. Now look at all of the lightning to the south here. What happened while I was sleeping was a bunch of solar flares. Also, while there were a ton, like 20 tornado warnings at the same time in Mississippi and in Louisiana, I saw that there was a lot of lightning around the tornadoes, and it was an unusual amount. And so, of course, I thought, well, maybe there was a flare. Sure enough, these solar flares right here, the X-ray flux increasing into that M range, almost X, that's a lot of power. So that came toward us along with some CMEs, coronal mass ejections, actually ejected plasma off of the sun. So we can see that on this coronal mass ejection LASCO C3 imagery, looking kind of blue with those little dusty balls firing off. Some of those are coming toward us, like this one. We see lifting now. I do believe that'll graze Earth. Another one very fast from the top left at this point. Nice big shock wave going far away from Earth. You could imagine Earth is you, where you're sitting and then staring at the screen. The sun would be far away. So anything coming toward would get bigger and bigger. And so that did affect us with the solar flares. Look at this guy smiling. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. I have to take a screenshot. No way. Okay, so that's too funny. The smiling sun. But yeah, so I didn't see any proton events with that. That would give us like red aurora, for instance. But while solar flares can help uptick geomagnetic disturbances and cause aurora, maybe even later provide some of the red with the KP index here, that would help instigate some other aurora, maybe poor communications for radio. But here's the aurora forecast. I bet near the end they might have a little tiny coloring coming up here. So I'll just let that play and be quiet, and then I'll cut the video. Friends, enjoy space weather stuff. All right, they just had the tiniest chance over there by Nova Scotia. Enjoy the weather, guys. We'll see what happens with that one.